Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to see your recently watched video in YouTube. For this, go to this three dot button here, click on this and you can see here the history. Click on this option and from here you can see all the recently watched video and their data. If you want to remove some, you can do it by clicking this remove from history option. Click on this and it will be removed from the watch history. Or what you can also do is you can pause the watch history. After clicking on this, it will not store any of your watched video in the watch history of YouTube. Or what you can also do is you can just on click and clear all the watch history of your YouTube account. So that's it guys. If this would help you, please don't forget to give it a like and thanks for watching.